All right, this next Easter tip is a little bit more advanced, but it's one of my favorite ways to get the word out about your Easter services, and that's through Facebook ads. And one of the most important things you can do right now is get the Facebook Pixel installed on your website. And then step 2 is get custom audiences set up for your church. Let me show you with Summit Park Church. These are some of the custom audiences that we have set up. And when you combine all these together in an ad, we can target about 37,000 people in our area within driving distance of our church who have at some point engaged with us, been on our website or on our email list, have watched some of our videos on Facebook, who have liked our page or commented. There's so many of these custom audiences that you can build, and it's extremely powerful. In fact, by my estimation, I think it will help you double the reach of your Facebook ads at about half the cost if you go through these steps. Now, if you're like, Ryan, that sounds awesome, but I have no clue what you're talking about, be sure you get inside the Ultimate Easter Kit. It's totally free, and we'll give you some resources to help set this type of stuff up for your church so you can be more effective and reach more people this Easter. All right, hopefully we see you inside the kit.